Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and I'm going to talk to you today about one of my favorite skincare lines, Osmosis MD. I've carried Osmosis since the very beginning of the company, so I'm very familiar with it, with their products, and as an esthetician, I love using them. I try to make my videos more or less make sense. I don't want to get into all the, talking all the medical talk, because I know for some of you it goes over your head. And if you're like me, I just want to know what it does, and what is involved with the product. Now, most skincare products have a job to do. You might go in the store and you see something that says, oh, this product's for everything. Use it on your face, your body, whatever. Those are not really going to give you the results that you want, because you need products that are going to do their specific job, whether it be acne, pigmentation, anti-aging, for forehead lines or whatever. You need a specific product for that. And Osmosis does offer that to you. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Catalyst AC11. This is such a great product. When you use it, you want to think of anti-aging, clearing up your skin, evening out the skin tone. It's got wonderful amino acids, vitamin C, and it's very healing also. So you can use this for anti-aging. It's helpful if you have blemishes, or you just want your skin to look more clear and have a better look to it. So I really highly recommend it for that. And then another product that goes along with it is Rescue. This Rescue is so great. And this Rescue, there's nothing really like it, I have to tell you that. It's very healing. It's made to even out your skin tone, for pigmentation, if you have a problem with pigmentation. It's great for acne, great for sunspots, skin texture. It does all of that. And the two of them together are remarkable. You'll find that you're going to see a healing like you never did before. One of my favorite stories with the Catalyst, way back when it first came out, I had this area on my face, for a year or two. And it turned out to be the, telangiectasia, which, it was kind of purple. Not so much that you could see the veins, but I had it burned off, cut off, you name it. I had all this stuff done. It never went away. And then Osmosis came out with Catalyst, and I started using it, and it was gone in 2 weeks. Totally gone, and it's never come back. So I never forgot that. And since that time, they've improved it with better ingredients and taken it to a higher level. It's just wonderful. And now back on the Rescue, it's the same thing. If you use these on a regular basis, you're going to see that you have much more clear face. Just your skin is just going to look so much more clear and vibrant and healthy. And I know with the Rescue, a good example is I had something behind my ear. I don't know if it was a pimple. I don't know what it was. It was back there forever, and it wouldn't go away. I kept doing, putting different things on it. And then I started using Rescue, and it's the same thing. It just went away. And I like to see results. It's one of my favorite things. And then with the Osmosis products, they have two myths. They have the Boost, which is a little bit more hydrating, and then they have Infuse, which they're both wonderful. And after you apply your serums, you want to put the mist on your face and rub it in, especially with the Catalyst AC11, because that has a little bit of a color to it. So if you're using that and you think, oh, it's got a little more color than I want, you put your mist on, and then that's what you want to do. You want to rub it into the skin, and you're going to get some great hydration and just remarkable results on the skin. And you can use it on your face, on your neck, if you have issues on your hands, sunspots, hands, arms, it's good for any of those areas. So, I just wanted to refresh you on that a little bit, because I know I have many of my clients call me and go, what do they do? And that's what they do. So if you want to repair your face, repair sun damage, improve your pigmentation, red spots, anything, you know, from acne or even scarring in some issues. These are what you want to use, and they really do work. I know Dr. Johnson that created these. This is like his life's work, and he really wants everyone to have good results. I've known him for many years, and that's his joy in life, is seeing somebody get some good results on their skin from their products. So if you have any questions, you know, please send me an email, or you could call me on my toll-free number, and I'm so happy to help you. That's why I do this. I love my clients. I love taking care of them. I want you to have great skin, and these products can really help you with that. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.